In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable night shift in iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now and we're going to do this in real time together. The first thing I'm doing is looking for the settings app. It's the one with the little grey gear icon, and it's usually sitting on one of your home screens or inside a folder if you've organized your apps. I'm just scanning the screen for it, and once I spot settings, I'm going to tap it once to open it up. Okay, now settings is open and you'll see a long list of options. This screen can feel a little busy at first because there's a lot here, but we're only going to one place. We're looking for the option that says display and brightness. So I'm slowly scrolling a bit until I see that label. If it's already visible on your screen, you don't need to scroll much at all. I'm keeping my eyes on the list and there it is, display and brightness. As soon as you see it, go ahead and tap display and brightness. Now I'm inside the display and brightness section. This is basically the area where your iPhone's screen appearance settings live, like how bright it is and how the display looks. At this point we're going to turn on night shift, so I'm looking down this screen for the night shift option. It should literally say night shift, and it's usually listed along with other display related settings. I'm finding night shift on the screen and now I'm tapping it to open the night shift settings. Alright, now we're on the night shift page itself, and this is where the on and off switch is. You'll see a toggle for night shift, and it might be off right now, which usually means the switch is not highlighted. To enable it, I'm tapping that toggle once so it flips to the on position. Once it's enabled, you'll see the switch change to show it's active. Right after turning it on, you might notice your screen color shift a bit warmer. That's normal, and it's exactly what night shift is supposed to do. If you don't notice a big difference right away, that can also be normal depending on your current lighting and your display settings, but the main thing is making sure the toggle is switched on. I'm just taking a second to look at the screen and confirm that night shift is enabled, and as long as that switch is on, you're all set. At this point you can simply stay on this screen for a moment just to double check you didn't accidentally tap something else, then you can leave settings whenever you want. The key part is done. You opened settings, went into display and brightness and turned on night shift.